Hello, what's up guys? I hope that you are fine. So today I'm going to show you a new Tron earning site link given in the description. Then when you click on the link, you will get see this home page. First of all, enter your phone number, enter your password, and then enter your fund password. Fund password may be 6 digit. Then copy your phone number and paste it on the page where enter your WhatsApp number. You have to enter your WhatsApp number. Then click on the register. Your account will be open and you will be logged into your account. And first of all, you can read the latest announcement of the website, the official website link, Telegram sport, and the website legal white paper, and the website Gmail. If you want to contact them, you can contact from here. And the website white paper is legal white paper link. And sign up bonus, you will receive 3000 TRX balance. If you want to withdraw of your balance, then you need to make a deposit. Then click on the deposit option. You will get see two type recharge option. Then click on the transfer to basic account. When you click on the link, it is your deposit address. Then copy your deposit address from here. When you click on the copy address, this address will be copied successfully. Then go to your wallet. I use this Trust Wallet. Then click on the send. When you click on send, paste the address and enter your amount that you want to make deposit. I want to deposit 13 TRX. Then I continue and I clicked on confirm. The address should not be wrong. I clicked on confirm. It will be confirmed within some seconds and the money will be added in our website account. You can see the status is still pending. Let me refresh the page and status will be complete within seconds. You can see status has been completed and notification received. Then go to the site and click on the recharge completed. When you click on the recharge completed, the money will be added to your account instantly. You can see money has been added to my account 13 TRX. That's I make deposit. Then click on the home page and click on the withdrawal. When you click on the withdrawal, here you will get see your daily withdrawal limit. Enter your daily withdrawal limit on the withdrawable amount. My daily withdrawal limit 0.284. Then go to the wallet and click on receive address. Copy your address has been copied. Then go to the site and paste your address on the add withdrawal address. Then click on the add address. Here address has been successfully added up, you can see. Then enter your fund password that you give on the registration. Then click on submit. You can see withdrawal has been withdrawal success. Then click on confirm and withdrawals are instant. Then let me go to my wallet, Trust Wallet. I open my Trust Wallet. You can see my balance first and let me refresh the page. You can see the money has been added to my account instant. You will receive withdrawal instant and a notification has been received that we get a withdrawal from the site. And then click on the trading option. On the trading option, you can see the cloud mining is working. It's mean that you will receive 5% of your account balance on the daily basis. Every 24 hours you will receive a receive option here. Then you need to click on the option. Then click on the invest. When you click on here, you can see the product list. Here you will see their plan. If you want to buy any plan, you can buy, and you can see their durations and the percentage profit. If you want to buy any plan, you can buy. Then click on share. You can see your refer link here. Then click on the copy link and share it with your friends. You will receive refer commission, and you can get up to refer commission with 3 levels. Then click on the mine page. On the mine page, you need to click on the team, application services team. When you click on the team, you can see your level 1, level 2 and level 3 members and their recharges. Then click on the profit list. On the profit list option, you can see your history of the transaction, deposit and withdrawal like. Then click on the share. On this option, you can, if you want to download the app, then click on app. On the notification, you can read the latest announcement of the website. You can see here. If you invite people on the level 1, you will get see 12% commission. On the level 2, 5% and level 3, 3% commission. And your daily withdrawal limit is 2.8 to maximum 10%. So friends, the site link in the description. I hope you like the video.